of you now. Wait, he was...
Hi, my name is Hazel Simmons.
Hazel is the daughter of Russell Simmons. Hazel's hobbies include dancing, having a good time, hanging out with the girls, and talking to the guys. She also enjoys trying out new hairstyles and hair removal methods. When asked what she thought would make the world a better place, her reply was for people to be more willing to lend a helping hand. She also hopes that her faith could help end world hunger by making people lose their appetite. Hazel credits Rihanna with having the biggest impact on his life. Her plans for the future are to go to cosmetology school and major in hair removal. Thank you, contestant number 12.